Now, the ambitious next phase of the vaccine expansion program was hit by glitches and the shortage of vaccines on Saturday. But despite that, a limited rollout did take place in many states. Now, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and Rajasthan, who had earlier said they would not be able to launch the drive for the 18 to 44 years age group on the first day, finally did. It was a token drive, but it was a start that Young India has been waiting for.
Maharashtra, India's worst affected COVID state. The drive to vaccinate those in the 18 to 44 age group finally got underway in Mumbai.
In Mumbai, late night, BMC announced that there will be vaccination for the age group of 18 to 44. That's when BMC decided that there will be 5 centers in Mumbai which will give vaccination, and every center will vaccinate only 200 people.
Bijal Makhija, a 39-year-old professional, got the BMC notification on Twitter late night that the vaccination will happen. She tried registering herself and luckily got an appointment at 1:30 a.m.
I just got lucky and BKC had 200 slots, but after a minute my brother tried and he was not that lucky.
In Delhi too, a limited rollout in some private hospitals. Only 4 centers of Max did the vaccinations, Fortis did not get the doses, and Apollo will begin on the 3rd of May.
We have with us Ms. Divya, who's 37-year-old. She is about to go for her turn. We'll go along with her and we'll show you the vaccination. She's about to get her shot, and many youngsters who are watching this right now, for them, this is the kind of motivation they needed. This is the encouragement. This is the sign of hope at a time when India is struggling with this pandemic. Kaisa lag raha hai? How do you feel? How long had you been waiting for this moment?
I was waiting here for around 45 minutes. It's absolutely fine. I didn't felt much. Till now, it's absolutely fine.
How important it is for you to get vaccinated, considering at a time when the cases are so high and you are seeing how things around you are unfolding?
Very much important. It's the first day and we are here in the morning. So I think it's very, very important to get the vaccination done. It's for pan world.
In Rajasthan, the government finally began the drive after receiving 5 lakh doses from Serum Institute. Though the drive was held only in 11 districts of the state and in just a few notified vaccination centers.
Someone here has just taken the jab. You're 39 years old, I believe. What's your name?
Alisha Rata.
Alisha, were you enthusiastic? You wanted to take the vaccination as soon as it opened up?
Yes.
So what do I call it? First day, first shot?
Yes.
Though the Tamil Nadu government put the 3rd phase on hold for want of vaccines, Apollo hospitals in Chennai began inoculating the 18 to 44 age group. However, some technical glitches meant disappointment for some.
I'm a little bit disappointed because we came all the way over here, and since we are not able to get the vaccine, we are a little bit disappointed.
I have just registered now here itself, but in the portal they are not able to give me the slot for 2 days.
The government is ramping up its beds by at least adding 12,000 more beds with oxygen. It has also directed all the private hospitals across the state to designate at least 50% of the beds, oxygen beds, and also ventilators and ICUs to treat COVID patients.
The all-important vaccination against COVID-19, it has now been opened in some locations in Bengaluru and in Karnataka for the age group 18 to 44.
Yeah, much relieved, but it comes in after a tragedy. Lost my grandfather today to COVID, and yeah, lucky to have gotten the jab at least.
In Karnataka too, the drive did get underway, though there was some confusion to begin with.
We have started with around 200 to 400 today, but in this center, but we are looking at in the Karnataka region, ramping it up to around 1500 to 2000.
It may have been a limited start, but in the coming weeks, the expansion of the vaccination program offers a ray of hope to India as it battles its worst COVID crisis. Bureau Report, NDTV.